Lemonade. Pros. Policies can be purchased online or on the mobile app. Give back program donates money to causes of your choice. Cons. Limited availability, no in person service available. Review. Lemonade stands out in our rating for being a primarily digital insurance company. You can purchase, file claims, and manage your policy through its website or mobile app. There are no local agents. In emergencies, policyholders must contact the company by phone. In addition to the coverages available in its standard policy, there are options for swimming pools, buried utilities, water backup, and equipment breakdown, to name a few. Lemonade is available in 22 states and Washington DC. So, pros: water backup and replacement cost included, private flood insurance available, only available through agents, no online quotes. Chubb's standard policy, Masterpiece Homeowners, includes water backup and replacement cost. While there are a few companies that include replacement cost coverage in our rating, no other include water backup. Also included is the option to take a cash settlement after a total covered loss instead of rebuilding in the same location. It is also the only company in our rating to offer its own flood insurance policy. Other flood insurance policies sold by companies in our rating are for policies through the National Flood Insurance Program (NFIP). A possible downside is that Chubb is available exclusively through agents. There is no online quote or purchase option. If you click on Get Quote on its website, you will be directed to a local agent's office after answering a few questions. Chubb's homeowners insurance policies are available in all 50 states and Washington DC. Liberty Mutual Insurance. Pros: available in all 50 states and Washington DC. Inflation coverage plan available. Cons: standard coverage is pretty basic compared to other in our rating. Review. Liberty Mutual standard policy covers the basic dwelling, personal belongings, liability, guest medical coverage, and loss of use, but it does have a number of optional coverages that may meet your needs. Coverage for water backup and valuable item is available. There is even coverage for inflation, where at the time of renewal your coverage limits will be adjusted to keep up with inflation. It offers several discounts, including for going paperless, being claim free, and signing up for automatic payments. Also available are discount for bundling newly purchased home and for renovating your home. Availability. Liberty Mutual's policies are available in all 50 states and Washington DC. Travelers. Pros: green building materials coverage available in all 50 states and Washington DC. Not as many discounts as other companies in our rating. Review. Travelers is one of the least expensive companies in our rating, for which we have rate data. Compared to others, it does not have as many listed discounts. The discounts available are relatively common ones, like bundling policies, having protected devices installed in your home, and being claim free, but it also offers a relatively uncommon discount for having a leadership energy and environmental design certified green home. In addition to having a discount for LEED certified green home, there is additional coverage where after a covered loss, travelers will help pay for you to rebuild or repair with energy efficient or eco-friendly materials. This is in addition to more common add-ons like coverage for valuable items, replacement costs for your belongings, and dwelling and water backup. Travelers' homeowners policies are available in all 50 states plus Washington DC. So these were all the insurance available for house owners insurance.